The next important property of fluid is specific gravity. The specific gravity of the fluid is defined as the ratio of weight density of fluid to the weight density of standard fluid, or it is also defined as the ratio of mass density of fluid to the mass density of standard fluid. So let us go through the definition. Specific gravity, it is also known as relative density. It is defined as the ratio of weight density or mass density of the fluid to weight density or mass density of standard fluid. It is known as relative density because it is compared with standard fluid, and generally the standard fluid is taken as water at normal pressure and 4 degrees Celsius. Mathematically, specific gravity S is equal to weight density of fluid upon weight density of standard fluid. So S is equal to rho fluid upon rho water, or S is equal to gamma of fluid upon gamma of water. At standard pressure, 1 atmospheric pressure at 4 degrees Celsius, rho is equal to 10⁻³ kg per meter cube. Specific gravity, that is S, is equal to weight density of fluid upon weight density of standard fluid. Therefore, S is equal to rho of fluid upon rho of water, that is equal to gamma of fluid upon gamma of water. Specific gravity of water, SW is equal to rho of water is equal upon rho of water. These are cancelled, so SW is equal to 1. So the specific gravity of water is 1. The specific gravity of mercury, Hg, is 13.6, means mercury is 13.6 heavier than standard water. If specific gravity is known, we can find the density or specific weight of fluid as gamma mercury is equal to Sm into gamma of water, and specific gravity of mercury is 13.6 and gamma of water is 9810. So putting the values, we have gamma mercury is equal to 13.6 into 9810 Newton per meter cube, and rho of mercury is equal to specific gravity of mercury into rho of water or mass density of water. So specific gravity of mercury is 13.6 and rho of water is 10⁻³. So rho of mercury will be equal to 1360 kg per meter cube. Now let us revise these definitions. First, mass density, that is mass per unit volume. So rho is equal to m upon v and its units is kg per meter cube. Second is weight density, that is weight per unit volume. So gamma is equal to w upon v and its units is Newton per meter cube. Next is specific volume, that is the volume per unit mass, that is by definition it is volume per unit mass, that is inverse of this mass density. So Vs can be written as 1 upon rho and its units is meter cube per kg, or it can be written as Vs is equal to 1 upon gamma. In that case the units will be different, meter cube per Newton. And next is specific gravity. So By definition, it is the ratio of weight density of fluid to the weight density of water, or mass density of fluid to the mass density of water. So SF means specific gravity of fluid is equal to gamma of fluid upon gamma of water, that is equal to rho of fluid upon rho of water.